Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very common bird all around the world. The barn swallow. The barn swallow is the most widespread species of swallow in the world. A fairly large, colorful swallow, usually easy to identify with its long forked tail and dark rump. It is found in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Navy blue above with a rich orange throat and forehead. Underparts vary across range from bright buffy orange to whitish. Typically nests close to human habitation, builds a muddy cup nest in a barn or under a dock. Its insect-eating habits mean that it is tolerated by humans. Their calls are like named locally as Athu Wahilihiniya. The barn swallow is the national bird of Austria and Estonia. We thought we had not seen the barn swallow, but when we were running through our pictures, we found a picture of a barn swallow from one of our trips to Udavallawa. In Udavallawa, there is another popular attraction called the Elephant Transit Home, where they take care of orphan baby elephants before they are reintroduced to the wild. There are 3 feeding sessions, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, where we can go and see them. You find the tiniest of baby elephants at this place. They are so adorable. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the red-vented bulbul.